Once again, it's a new day, but it's another sequence day. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. So far, I've hauled a trailer load of lean-to shed to the dump. Spent a ton of time looking for knee pads that ended up being in the last box I looked at that I'd walked past a couple dozen times thinking there's no way they're in there. And that's where they were. I found those. Tanya had me pull a couple of cabinet doors off, a cabinet in the bathroom that we're probably not going to keep, at least not the doors. And that brings me to this storage room that has a window in it that's all boarded up. We've got some people coming to look at the window and give us an estimate for a newer window. So I'm going to blow these boards off the window really quick and then probably start trying to tear some carpet out of this place. Wow, look at that blind and that installation. Kind of a unique way to insulate a room without a double pane window, but I guess you do what you gotta do. Anyway, now the window people can at least look at the window and see what's there. All right, I'm gonna give this a try. I can't remember having ever pulled carpet up before, but there's always a first time for everything. Garrett, no laughing. Well, that turned loose all sorts of stink. I'm gonna roll this piece up now. They recommend not getting your pieces so big that you can't handle them. Since I'm here by myself, I don't want them too big. Guess that's how you do it. So I don't have any idea if I've got any footage of any of this carpet tearing out that I've been doing. I've been having challenges with this camera. These sweet glasses that you see me wearing right now are safety glasses, but they're like bifocal glasses. And if I tip my head up, I notice that while I'm editing these videos that I'm always tipping my head back. That's so I can see through the bifocal part of it. And even with doing that, I can't see the menu on this camera with beams, so I have no idea if I've got anything recorded or not. Anyway, that being said, I was going to take a minute and show you what I've got done so far on tearing carpet out of this place. This is the room where I started. It's all out of there now. Here's the pegboard room. It's all out of here. Had to pull the doors off of what was the closet, but now is the furnace, to be able to get that carpet out. That's gonna have to change. Here's the master bedroom. Got all the carpet out of it with its addition portion here. That was not as bad as I thought it would be. There was just a little bit of the pad that was glued to the floor there. And here's the hallway area. I've got that all out of here as well. That leaves the living room here. I got a sneeze coming. And I guess, oh man. And I guess what we're calling today is the family room. It's an addition as well. And I'm pretty sure this carpet's all gonna be glued down, and I'm a little bit nervous about getting that off, but I'll get to it eventually. Obviously there's a little dust going on here. I'm gonna keep working on tearing up some carpet if I can stop sneezing long enough to do it. So we were thinking about cleaning the carpets before we moved in and just dealing with whatever smell was still in the house. But after having pulled these up, I'm thinking it's a good thing we decided to do this instead of try to live in here with all the dirt and smell that are associated with the carpet. It's been nasty. Let me show you really quick just some of the dirt that's gone through the carpet here in front of the entryway in this house. I don't know if you can see that or not, but stuff like that's what's made me think it's probably a good idea that we decided to just pull these up and live without carpet until we get ready to install a new carpet, rather than try to get these cleaned and live in it with the dirt in them. The only carpet I got left is this stuff here in this family room addition, but it's not looking like it's going to come up really good. Let me show you really quick. It looks like the backing is coming off separately. It's not even coming off. It's degraded to the point where it's just powder. So it looks like I'm probably gonna have to pull the carpet off and then scrape all of the bottom part of the carpet off. Another thing that looks like it's gonna be an issue is it looks like this red exposed concrete block that this wood burning stove is sitting on is actually sitting on top of the carpet. And if that's the case, that means I'd have to dismantle the stove and move that block to get that carpet out from underneath there and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching.